There, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in the bird sanctuary again. One pose for digestion after overeating, and I learned it in India from a woman there who was married to a yoga instructor, and she taught me how to do this after big Indian meals. And typically they will eat a huge dinner at like 10 p.m. and then they go to sleep not too long after. So this pose I will show you now is what you should do if you feel like you ate way too much. There are some other yoga sequences you can do for digestion depending how much you ate. You don't want to lay down or do a lot of twisting. So this one's good because you don't have to lay down or twist. Come in a kneeling position, sitting on your calves. Hands slid out in front of you. Heels out to the side of your hips. If this is too low for you, then you can sit on a tall bolster, cushion, or stack of books. Deep breathing. Maybe you even want to play with your cat or dog, as long as you stay in this position and you don't move around too much. You want to spend about 5 minutes here as long as your knees or nothing else starts causing you pain. And enjoy yourself. Stay as long as you can in this pose.